Hello, Andrew.
Pleasure to meet you.
Why should I have redundancy cover?
Well, with the global economy in its current state, unemployment's been the highest it's been in many, many years, and you just cannot believe that your job's safe anymore. And you won't expect to be made redundant.
But won't my employer pay me out a redundancy payout?
Well, these days, most employment contracts no longer have a redundancy clause in them. Now, that means if you get made redundant, there's no money, and that's big financial stress for some people.
Wouldn't I just go on the unemployment benefit?
Well, the unemployment benefit will pay you about $200 per week. Now, who can afford to live on that? Now, if you've got a partner, you probably won't qualify for it if they're working.
Okay, so it does make sense to have redundancy insurance in place.
That's right.
What will redundancy insurance do for me?
Well, if you get made redundant, it'll start paying you an amount every month after a certain stand-down period.
Okay, and let's just say I wait till I'm made redundant. Can I do that?
No, unfortunately you can't. If you wait until you think you might be made redundant or you think the company's about to restructure, the insurance company won't be able to give you that policy. You need to get it in place as soon as possible so you've got the cover happening.
So I need to pretty much do it today?
That's right.
Okay, I understand. So look, next question that I have here is how long would I be getting paid for?
Well, depending on which policy you have, some will pay you for up to 6 months, others will pay you for 2 or 4 months while you're looking for a job.
And where does the payment go?
Well, the payment goes directly to you and you can use it for whatever you want. Most people will use it to pay their mortgage or their rent or simply just have money to live on.
And how much will I get each month?
Well, we'll work that out for you. Now, it's going to depend on how much you earn and whether or not you've got a mortgage and how much the mortgage payment is each month, but we'll tell you about that.
Okay. Look, Andrew, it does sound expensive. What will it cost me?
Well, it's surprisingly more affordable than you think. For around $1 a day, you would get cover for about $600 a week.
Okay, so $1 a day, I'd get a cover for about $600 a week.
That's right.
Okay, well, is it easy to get?
Yes, it's a very simple process. We simply send you some quotes and you want to go ahead with it. We need you to authorise some papers and send us back a payslip or a mortgage statement.
Okay, and how do I apply?
Well, just click on the form below and click submit, and your details will be sent through to this office to a person like myself, and we'll send you quotes and information and arrange to get the cover in place for you.
Well, that does sound great. So I just fill in the form below and one of the Ease people will contact people like myself with quotes and information, and the cover will be put in place quickly and easily.
That's right.
Well, thank you very much for your time, Andrew.
Okay, thank you.